How you guys doing? So today I'm taking you to Kasarani Outdoor Arena. This is a training area, training facility that will also be used to for some training sessions during the Africa Cup of Nations 2027 and also the CHAN 2025 that is set in August. So today I'm just going to give you a slim overview of this area as I look forward to bringing you an indoor and inside facility at the Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani. Thank you. Also try and give me your honest opinion on what you think about this space. Um, Let me just know what this space looks like for you. Is it a good place for training? And also, as you can see, the floodlights has also been installed. Far from here, you can see the rooftop of the Kasarani Stadium, and this place just looks so beautiful. Kindly drop a comment below. Those are the dressing rooms, looking so modern. They're very stylish, of course, very new. So give me a comment. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you support us. Enjoy. experience.